Have you ever noticed that the right lighting can brighten your mood? I mean, we all know the answer is yes, but there's so much more to it. Dolly Visualizer is just that. It's an all-in-one tool for everything you need when it comes to our lighting system. It's easy to analyze functionality and reprogram if necessary. We're happy that WAGO has a platform that we are able to build our vision upon. Our vision with Dolly Visualizer is to introduce a cost-effective system to the market that enables total control and traceability of the lighting system.
When I saw this for the first time, there was no doubt that this was something we wanted to be a part of. WAGO's part in this project was to provide high-performance products according to the Dolly 2 standard. We think that the Dolly Visualizer is a completely new way of working with Dolly systems for everyone involved in the project, from installation to operation.
For us, WAGO's contribution has mostly been the belief in our vision and the excellent support throughout the whole project.
We wanted to work with them in this project because this is the perfect match between hardware and software.